If you're wondering how to help your team practice Agile values and principle in your organization, Agile games are a great place to start. Do you know there are a variety of Agile games that helps to promote team collaboration, increase engagement and enthusiasm, also improve creativity and problem-solving skills? Now, let's look at the 4 most common Agile games to boost team building and creativity. First game, How to Hug. The time duration for this game is 5 minutes or less. This game can be played in person or virtual. The number of players needed for this game is minimum 3. And maximum can go up to 10 or more depending on the size of the organization. The learning objective for this game is collaboration. Here's on how to play this game. Use the How to Hug Miro board that displays an outline of a circle. Each team member should upload a photo of themselves and place it along the circle. One team member is chosen to move their photo to the center of the circle. Then, all of the other team members move their own photos to the center so they touch the center photo. That's your virtual hug. From there, other team members take turns moving their own photo to the center. This simple game is a great way to stage a warm welcome, break the ice, and help your team members feel connected to one another. The next game is Paper Airplane Game. The time duration for this game is 45 minutes. This game can be only played in person. The number of players needed for this game is a minimum of 4 players. The learning objective for this game is iteration and time blocks. Here's on how to play this game. Everybody knows how to build a simple paper airplane. But what if you're trying to build one that will fly the furthest distance? Split your team into groups and give them each a stack of paper. Their goal is to build as many paper airplanes as possible, and teams that manages to fly their paper airplane the furthest are the winners. It's a great way for your team to get comfortable with numerous aspects of Agile, including collaboration, sprints, and Agile retrospectives. The next game is Chocolate Bar Game. The time duration for this game is 5 minutes. This game can be played both in person and virtual. The number of players needed for this game is a minimum of 4 players. The learning objective for this game is iteration and customer feedback. Here's on how to play this game. You will need to build a chocolate bar based on input from your customers. Your team will select one person to be the product manager or product owner, and everybody else will be a customer. They'll keep going until they've created a chocolate bar that satisfies the majority of their customers. This game is designed for people who are new to Agile practices, and it's a helpful way for teams to learn about iterations and customer feedback. The last game is Alphabetization Game. The time duration for this game is 10 minutes. This game can be only played in virtual. The number of players needed for this game is a minimum of 4 players. The learning objective for this game is control strategies. Here's on how to play this game. On a Miro board, each team member will select one of the available animal icons to represent them. The goal of this game is to organize team members based on different criteria. Only the boss is allowed to rearrange the icons, and team members can only speak if the boss asks them a question. The boss will arrange all of the team member icons based on their team members' current physical distance from their office. Once you've tried it that way, your teams move into the next control strategy. In this round, there is no boss, everybody is a team member. Team members can talk openly with one another, and they work to arrange their icons based on the number of books in their houses. This game will teach you a lot about how your team works together. It's also helpful to time both rounds to see which one is faster for your team.